A Cipher lock can add convenience, but on its own, it rarely makes a door truly kick-in proof. A Cipher lock with a robust mechanical deadbolt and solid bolt throw can meaningfully raise the work required for forced entry, but the lock is only one element of a system. Choose a unit where the code mechanism is mechanical or where the electronics do not replace the hardened steel bolt. If the keypad controls only an actuator and the deadbolt is weak, a blunt impact will still defeat the door. Reinforce the strike plate area with a full-length steel reinforcement plate and use screws long enough to reach the wall framing, not just the jamb. Ideally 3-inch screws into studs so the load is transferred into structure. Upgrade the hinge side with security hinges or hinge bolts, and consider a continuous metal door edge or anti-spread device to resist the frame bending that allows kick-ins. For electronic models, harden against tampering by mounting the electronics on the interior face and protecting feed wires with conduit or armored cable. Do not expose power or reset switches, where an attacker can easily access them. Finally, combine the lock with passive measures such as a solid core or steel door and a secondary internal deadbolt or door bar so that even if the Cipher mechanism is bypassed, the occupant has additional layers. Common mistakes start with assuming the keypad equals security, which leads people to skip reinforcing the frame. Fix that by installing a reinforcement plate and long screws immediately. Another problem is installing an electronic unit with a weak bolt or latch that can be pried or kicked out. Choose models where the bolt itself is hardened steel and extends at least 1 inch into a reinforced strike. A third issue is poor installation of power and wiring that allows bypass or damage. Protect wiring, hide or shield control modules inside the residence, and use battery backup so loss of mains power does not create a vulnerability. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and discuss project details with peers. On our site, we connect contractors looking for work with homeowners planning door and security upgrades and host an active discussion community where real users share installation tips and vendor experiences.